Welcome, dear students. Hopefully, all are well. Today, I am now taking class accountancy in class 11. First chapter topics difference between accounting and accountancy. Now I am discussing with previous class. What is accounting? What is bookkeeping? Difference between bookkeeping and accounting. Objectives of function of accounting. Accounting cycle already discussed. Now, already discussed accounts, various types of account and accounting treatment, golden rule. Okay. Now to the basic difference accounting and accountancy. Now, basis accounting accountancy. Number one, meaning. So what is the meaning? Now, accounting is the process of transaction. Accounting is the process of transaction. Process of transactions, recording, classifying, summarizing, recording, classing, summarizing, analyzing of financial transactions. Summarizing, analyzing of financial transaction. Of financial transactions. Accountancy refers to the systematic knowledge Accountancy refers to the systematic knowledge of the principles and applied in techniques of accounting. Okay, this is the basic meaning. So what is the meaning? Accounting is the process of transactions. Transactions means, now I already discussed what is the transactions. Transaction means these are two effects, debit or credit. Transaction means two types, cash transaction and credit transaction. So what is cash transaction? These transactions are related with cash. This is the cash transaction. Or credit transaction, these transactions are not related in monetary transaction, not related in cash. This is the credit transactions. Now, at first, we process of transactions. After that, we recording. After that, classifying debit or credit. Various types of maintain the various types of account. Purchase account, sales account, wages account. Okay. Summarizing, analysis of financial transactions. Summarizing and analyzing of financial transactions. Now, it is maintained to the step by step in your primary book. Clear? This is the accounting. Or accountancy refers to the systematic knowledge of the principles. Now it depends on the principles. Principle means debit or credit. Now debit credit varies from the account to account. Now, and apply the techniques of accounting. Means recording, classifying, summarizing, analyzing and financial transactions. Techniques of accounting means recording, classifying, summarizing, analyzing of financial transactions. Now, this is the systematic knowledge of the principles and applied in techniques of accounting. Clear? Now, next, practice. Number 2 point. Number 2 point is practice. Accounting with the with the part of accounting with the part of practice in systematic knowledge having the part of practice in systematic knowledge of the accountancy knowledge part of the accountancy, or accounting refers to the entire body of accountancy is referred to the entire body of knowledge refer to the entire body of knowledge and theory of practice, theory and practice of accounting, theory and practice of accounting. Okay, the practice means accounting is the part of practice, systematic knowledge of accountancy, systematic knowledge of accountancy. Okay, systematic means now at first the time now keep the transaction after recording, classifying, summarizing of the financial transactions. Or accountancy refers to the entire body of knowledge through practice and accounting, through practice of accounting. Now this is the key difference related to the accounting and accountancy. Next, number 3, relation. Now 3, relation. Accounting includes bookkeeping. Accounting includes bookkeeping. Accounting includes bookkeeping. It includes bookkeeping and accounting. It includes bookkeeping and accounting. The relation in accounting includes bookkeeping. It includes bookkeeping and accounting. Okay. Next, number 4, sequence. Number 4, sequence. Sequence where accounting ends, accountancy begins. Where accounting ends, accountancy begins. Where accountancy ends, auditing is begin. Okay, auditing is begin. Auditing means audited report is determined by the chartered accountant. Clear? This is the key difference between accounting and accountancy. The at first meaning, accounting is the process of transaction recording, classifying, summarizing, analyzing of financial transactions. Accountancy refers to the systematic knowledge of the principles and applied of techniques of accounting. Practice, accounting is with the part of practice with the systematic knowledge of the accountancy. Or accounting refers to the entire body of knowledge, through the practice of accounting. Relation, accounting includes both bookkeeping. Accounting includes both bookkeeping. Okay, includes both bookkeeping and accountancy. Accountancy includes both bookkeeping, accountancy. It includes bookkeeping and accounting. Sequence, where accounting ends, accountancy begins. Where accounting ends, the accountancy begins. Where accountancy ends, auditing is begin. Now auditing is depends on the financial Financial analysis. Financial analysis means financial position of the business. Now it is depend on the balance sheet. Balance sheet means now divided by the two sides, assets and liabilities. It is shows the clear picture of the business. Okay. This is the relation between accounting and accountancy. This is the relation between accounting and accountancy. Now, today is the end my class. Now next class I will discuss types of accounting. Okay. Thank you.